Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Recently, most people are looking forward to more security while chatting with someone, and this feature is available on Telegram. So today we will learn how to create a secret chat with someone on Telegram. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Telegram app icon. After that, tap on this icon. Click on New Secret Chat. Select the person who you want to make a secret chat with him. Let's try this one. Now, invitation sent to this person. Once online, you can make a chat with him with more security and no one can see your chat. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video, we explain how to create a new secret chat with someone on Telegram app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.